allow me to introduce you to Nadia, a 38-year-old American woman living in Chicago. Nadia is a hard-working office worker who loves classic American comfort food like burgers and mac and cheese. One day, her life changed when a doctor informed her she had a high risk of developing colon cancer due to a family history and her unhealthy eating habits. Nadia was terrified. She asked herself, how can I protect myself? What do I need to change so I don't follow in my family's footsteps? This fear motivated her to research how nutrition could be a shield for her health. That's why we're here today, to explore a collection of beverages that are not only delicious, but also powerful weapons in the fight against cancer. My question for you: what do you drink every day to protect your health? Share in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. Now, let's begin our journey to discover 3 drinks that experts praise for their cancer preventive properties. These drinks are simple to make and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Are you ready? Let's go. We're now going to delve into 3 beverages that nutrition experts around the world, from California to India, hail for their ability to protect the body from cancer risk. These drinks are easy to find, simple to make, and their benefits are scientifically proven. Let's explore each one in detail so you can apply them to your life. First, let's talk about green tea, a familiar but incredibly powerful drink. Green tea is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. But unlike black tea, it isn't fermented. This process allows green tea to retain powerful antioxidants called polyphenols, especially EGCG, a compound widely studied for its ability to protect cells. Did you know that the cells in our bodies face a daily risk of damage from free radicals? These free radicals are like thieves that damage DNA and create an opportunity for cancer to develop. The polyphenols in green tea act like bodyguards, neutralizing these free radicals, reducing inflammation, and preventing the growth of abnormal cells. Research from Harvard University and the U.S. National Cancer Institute indicates that drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea per day can reduce the risk of breast, prostate, and colon cancer. So, how can you get the most out of green tea? It's simple. Choose pure green tea and avoid sugary, bottled versions. Brew the tea with hot water around 175 degrees Fahrenheit to preserve the nutrients. And don't steep it for too long. 2 to 3 minutes is enough. You can add a little lemon juice to enhance the flavor and help with antioxidant absorption. A question for you: how do you brew your green tea? Do you have any interesting tips? Share them in the comments. Next, let's move to a different but incredibly potent drink: matcha with green leafy vegetables. Matcha isn't just regular green tea. It's a finely ground powder made from high-quality green tea leaves. This means you consume the entire leaf, not just the brewed water. Matcha has up to 10 times more EGCG than regular green tea, along with chlorophyll, a substance that helps detoxify the body and strengthen the immune system. But what's even more interesting is that when you mix matcha with green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, or celery in a smoothie, you get a powerful anti-cancer superfood. Green leafy vegetables provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals that help eliminate toxins from the body and reduce oxidative stress, a leading cause of cancer. How do you make the perfect matcha smoothie? Simply use 1 teaspoon of matcha powder, a handful of green leafy vegetables, half a banana for natural sweetness, and a splash of nut milk like almond milk. Blend everything in a blender and you'll have a drink that's both delicious and nutritious. Drinking 1 glass a day, especially in the morning, will help your body start the day with excellent energy and protection. Have you ever tried matcha? If not, what recipe would you start with? Share your ideas in the comments. Last but not least is turmeric milk, a traditional Indian drink now loved worldwide. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, is made from turmeric, which contains curcumin, a compound with excellent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin not only helps protect cells from damage, but also inhibits the growth of cancer cells, especially in the digestive system and lungs. The special thing is that when you mix a little black pepper with turmeric, the absorption of curcumin increases by up to 2,000%. To make turmeric milk, simply warm 1 cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of honey for a subtle sweetness. Stir well and drink it in the evening to help your body relax and recover. It's a simple but effective way to protect your long-term health. How often do you use turmeric in your cooking or drinks? Share your favorite recipes in the comments so we can all learn. Now that we know the power of these 3 drinks, green tea, matcha and green smoothie, and turmeric milk, how can you incorporate them into your busy life without feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, I'll share some simple and practical ways to make them a part of your daily routine, helping you stay healthy and save time. Let's continue this journey to protect your and your family's health. First, let's talk about making green tea a non-negotiable part of your day. You might think drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea a day is difficult, but it's easier than you think. Start by replacing your morning coffee with green tea. You can brew a large batch in the morning, let it cool, and store them in the fridge to drink throughout the day. If you travel often, consider investing in an insulated tumbler to take your green tea with you. The key is to choose high-quality green tea, like sencha or gyokuro from Japan, for maximum antioxidants. Another small tip is to set reminders on your phone to drink tea at specific times, like 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. You'll be surprised at how this behavior becomes second nature in just a few weeks. What are your morning drinking habits? Share them in the comments so we can all learn. Next, for the matcha and green smoothie, this is a perfect option for those who want to be healthy but have little time. The trick is to prepare the ingredients in advance. On weekends, you can wash your leafy greens, portion them out, and store them in Ziploc bags in the fridge. Every morning, just grab a portion of greens, add the matcha, banana, and nut milk, and blend for 1 minute. You'll have a cancer-fighting superfood drink ready to go. If you're concerned about the cost, try buying mid-grade matcha. It doesn't have to be expensive, but it should be pure matcha, not mixed with other ingredients. 1 spoon of matcha goes a long way, making it very cost-effective. You can also get creative by adding fruits like mango or pineapple to change the flavor. A question for you. Do you like to try new smoothie recipes? If so, what fruit would you add to your matcha smoothie? Share your ideas in the comments. Finally, for turmeric milk, this is a great drink to end a long day. To stick with this habit, try making drinking turmeric milk a relaxing evening ritual. For example, after dinner, take 5 minutes to brew some warm turmeric milk, put on some soft music, and sip it while reading a book or watching your favorite show. To save time, you can pre-mix turmeric and black pepper powder in a 10-to-1 ratio. Store it in an airtight container and use 1 spoonful at a time. If you don't like the strong taste of turmeric, try adding a little cinnamon or vanilla to soften the flavor. The important thing is to drink it regularly, at least 4 to 5 times a week, so your body can absorb the curcumin effectively. Do you have any relaxing evening rituals? Share them so I and everyone else can give them a try. But why are these habits so important? Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that maintaining a diet rich in antioxidants can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer, by up to 30%. These drinks not only protect cells, but also boost the immune system, improve your mood, and make you feel energized. What's more, these ingredients are natural and easy to find in supermarkets across America, from local markets in New York to stores in Los Angeles. You don't have to spend a lot of money or time to take care of your health.
One last question before we continue. Which of these three drinks will you start with? Green tea, a matcha and green smoothie, or turmeric milk? Share your choice in the comments and tell us why. In the next section, we'll explore tips to maintain these habits long-term and make them an indispensable part of your life. Don't miss it. We've been on an incredible journey together, exploring three powerful drinks: green tea, a matcha and green smoothie, and turmeric milk. These drinks are not just delicious, they are also key to protecting your health, reducing cancer risk, and leading an energized life. But how do you maintain these habits? Not for just 1 week or 1 month, but forever. Let's explore some final tips to make these drinks your long-term companions. And don't forget, I have a special challenge for you at the end of the video. First, let's talk about maintaining habits sustainably. The most important tip is to start small and be patient. You don't have to drink all three of these at once. Choose the one that suits your preferences, like green tea if you like simplicity, or a matcha smoothie if you want to be creative with recipes. Take a week to experiment and note how you feel. Do you feel lighter? Is your mood better? These small changes will motivate you to continue. Research from Tokyo Medical University states that by maintaining good dietary habits for just 21 days, you can easily make them a part of your life. So set a small goal, like drinking a cup of green tea every morning for a week, or trying a matcha smoothie on the weekend. You'll be surprised by the change. Second, make drinking these beverages an enjoyable experience. Instead of seeing it as a chore, think of it as a gift you're giving your body. For example, when you make turmeric milk, use your favorite mug. Or when you make a matcha smoothie, take a nice picture and share it on social media. This not only makes you more excited, but also inspires your friends and family. You can also invite loved ones to join you in this habit, such as drinking green tea with a coworker during lunch break or making turmeric milk for the whole family in the evening. A question for you. Which drink would you share with your loved ones? Share your answer in the comments. I'm really curious. Next, pay attention to the source of your ingredients. In the US, you can easily find green tea, matcha, and fresh turmeric at markets like the Union Square Green Market or supermarkets like Whole Foods. But be careful to choose quality products. For green tea and matcha, check the label to make sure there are no additives or sugar. For turmeric, you can buy a fresh root and grind it into powder at home to retain the most curcumin. If you're busy, try ordering online stores like Amazon or Thrive Market, which have many good options. Another tip is to buy in moderate quantities and store them properly. Tea and matcha should be kept in airtight containers away from light, while turmeric powder should be stored in a dry place. This helps you have ingredients ready to use without much expense. Now, let's summarize the benefits these three drinks offer. Green tea, with its polyphenols, helps protect cells and reduces the risk of breast, prostate, and colon cancer. A matcha and green smoothie provides concentrated antioxidants and fiber, helping to detoxify the body and boost the immune system. Turmeric milk, with its curcumin, acts as a protective shield against inflammation, safeguarding the digestive system and lungs. These benefits are not just traditional beliefs. They are proven by scientific research from around the world, from the U.S. National Cancer Institute to medical universities in India. Importantly, these drinks are easy to make, affordable, and suitable for all ages. You don't have to be a nutrition expert to start. You just need a little determination and patience. And here's the final challenge for you. Choose one of these three drinks and try to incorporate it into your daily life for the next 7 days. It could be a cup of green tea every morning, a matcha smoothie on the weekend, or turmeric milk before bed. Then come back here and share your experience in the comments. How do you feel? Do you have any good tips to share?
I and our community are waiting to hear your stories. Before we finish, I want to remind you that health is the most valuable asset. By making a small change in your eating habits, you can make a big difference for your body and your future. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next health tips. Comment right now and tell us which drink you'll start with and why. Let's build a strong and energetic lifestyle together. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.